Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 fancy English phrases for elegant conversations. Number 1, at your earliest convenience. It means a refined way to ask someone to do something soon without sounding pushy. Example, please review the proposal at your earliest convenience. Number 2, I beg your pardon. It is used to politely ask someone to repeat themselves or to express mild surprise. Example, I beg your pardon, did you say the auction starts at 6 or 7? Number 3, it's been an absolute pleasure. It means a classy way to end a conversation or meeting on a warm note. Example, thank you for showing me around the gallery. It's been an absolute pleasure. Number 4, shall we? It's short, elegant, and perfect when inviting someone to proceed or move along. Example, shall we head to the dining hall for the next course? Number 5, I'm utterly delighted. It means a charming way to express happiness or appreciation. Example, I'm utterly delighted to finally meet you in person, Your Grace. Number 6, if you'll excuse me. It is used to excuse yourself politely from a conversation or gathering. Example, if you'll excuse me, I need to make a quick phone call. Number 7, how very exquisite. It is perfect for admiring something beautiful or refined like art, design, or food. Example, how very exquisite. The detailing on that gown is breathtaking. Number 8, would you care for? It's a polished way to offer something to someone. Example, would you care for some champagne before dinner? Number 9, it's of the utmost importance. It's used to emphasize that something is critically important but said elegantly. Example, it's of the utmost importance that this discussion remains confidential. Number 10, I couldn't agree more. It's a sophisticated way to express complete agreement. Example, the pianist was extraordinary tonight. I couldn't agree more. That's all for today, my fancy friends. Now you've got 10 classy phrases to make your English sound extra elegant. See you next time, and until then, keep your English polished. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.